హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, అందరూ బాగున్నారా?
Question number 1. Rahul bought some sweets. The sweet vendor packed the sweets in 6 small boxes with 4 sweets in each box. Rahul asked him to pack the sweets in larger boxes. Then the sweet vendor packed them in 3 larger boxes. If each box had an equal number of sweets with no sweets left over, how many sweets did he pack in each of the larger boxes? Option A 4, Option B 8, Option C 12, Option D 24. Answer is B. Question number 2. Read the statements 3 friends made. Tanvi, I have 25 fewer books than Nakul. Nakul, I have 4 more books than Sindhu. Sindhu, I have 40 books. How many books does Tanvi have? Option A 11, Option B 15, Option C 19, Option D 29. Answer is C. Question number 3. Kiran hired a person to take care of his pet dog and the garden while he is on a trip. The person charges rupees 300 per week for gardening and rupees 50 per day to take care of the dog. If Kiran hires the person for 2 weeks, how much does he need to pay? Option A 700, Option B 1300, Option C 2450, Option D 4900. Answer is B. Question number 4. The figure below is divided into small triangles of the same size. 5 of such triangles are shaded. How many more small triangles need to be shaded so that a half of the figure is shaded? Option A 6, Option B 3, Option C 1, Option D 0. Answer is C. Question number 5. In which of these figures is 1/4 of the shape shaded? Option A only 1, Option B only 3, Option C only 1 and 2, Option D only 2 and 3. Answer is C. Now says last practice test set 2 mathematics. Question number 1. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank. 250 plus 1560 plus is equals to plus 500. Option A 1060, option B 1310, option C 1810, option D 2310. Answer is B. Question number 2. The calendar for February 2024 is shown below. February 2024 from February 1st to February 29. On 1st April 2024, what day will it be? Option A Monday, option B Friday, option C Saturday, option D Sunday. Answer is A. Question number 3. Which of these is 4020 tens? Option A 4200, option B 4210, option C 42010, option D 4,02,010. Answer is A. Question number 4. Look at the number pattern given below. 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, dash. Which of these shows how to find the next number in the pattern? Option A multiply 2 with 48, option B multiply 3 with 48, option C add 24 to 48, option D add 3 to 48. Answer is A. Question number 5. Which of the circles below are 2 by 6 shaded? Option A only 3, option B only 1 and 4, option C only 2 and 4, option D only 1, 2 and 4. Answer is B.
Slas, Slas ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్లో మనం చేద్దాం, ఎందుకంటే ఎగ్జామ్ రేపు 3వ తారీఖున నవంబర్ 3ని. మొదటి ప్రశ్న, విచ్ ఫిగర్ బిలో హ్యాజ్ స్మాలెస్ట్ ఏరియా? ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఏ, ఆప్షన్ బి బి, ఆప్షన్ సి సి, ఆప్షన్ డి డి.
The answer is C.
Second, question number 2. Which two angles have equal degree measures? Option A P and Q, option B Q and R, option C P and R, option D none of the above. Answer is B. Question number 3. Which of the given options are not equivalent decimals? Option A 1.23 and 1.230. Option B 3.241 and 03.241. Option C 0.0914 and 0.914. Option D 0.0405 and 0.04050.
Answer is C. Question number 4. The two models below are each shades to show a fraction. Circle 1, circle 2. One fraction is subtracted from the other. Which model is shaded to show its difference? Here, option A and option B and option C, option D.
Answer is B. Question number 5. Which of the following is 2005? Option A 2005. Option B 5002. Option C 2500. Option D 2005. The answer is D.
Nas says Slas practice tests. Set number 4. Question number 1. The side of a floor which is in the shape of a square is 20 centimeters long. Ram wants to tile the floor with square tiles of side 1 centimeters. How many tiles will he need? Option A 10 tiles. Option B 20 tiles. Option C 200 tiles. Option D 400 tiles. Answer D. Question number 2. Dash into 10 is equal to 66.6. Which of the following numbers will fill in the box above? Option A 0.666. Option B 6.66. Option C 666. Option D 6660. Answer B. Question number 3. A mother cow who is tied to a pole walks along the boundary of a circle to reach her baby cow. The baby cow does not move. Option A equal to 90 degrees. Option B less than 90 degrees. Option C more than 90 degrees. Option D cannot say for sure without measuring the angle. Answer C.
Question number 4. What is the volume of the cuboid below? Length is 4m, breadth is 2m, height is 3m. Option A 9 cubic m, option B 24 cubic m, option C 36 cubic m, option D 52 cubic m. Answer B.
Question number 5. The card shown below has roll numbers of 4 students written on it. Spring Dale School. Student Sweta H. 9107. Spring Dale School. Student Mahi V. 9017. Spring Dale School. Student Kazi M. 9071. Spring Dale School. Student Joy D. 9170. Arrange the 4 cards starting from the smallest roll number to the largest roll number. Whose card will be in third place from left in this arrangement? Option A. Sweta's. Option B. Mahi's. Option C. Joy's. Option D. Kazi's.
Answer A.
NAS, SAS, Slas, practice test. Set 5. Question number 1. Shown below are 3 caps. Cap A, Cap B, Cap C. Which craft is of greatest area? Option A, option B, B, option C, C, option D, all have the same area. Option A. Question number 2. Which of the following lines in the figure below are at right angles to each other? Line P, line Q, line R, line S. Option A. P and Q. Option B. Q and R. Option C. R and S. Option D. P and S. Answer D. Third question. Which of the following is the same as 78 tenths? Option A 0.78, option B 7.08, option C 7.8, option D 780. Answer C. Question number 4. What should come in the box to make the number sentence correct? 8 by 10 minus dash is equal to 3 by 10. Option A 5, option B 11 by 10, option C 11 by 20, option D 5 by 10. Answer D. Question number 5. Which of the numbers in the box are between 5350 and 6350? In the box, 5299 and 5403 and 6099 and 6520. Option A, only 6099. Option B, only 5299 and 6520. C, only 5403 and 6099. And option D, all 5299, 5403, 6099 and 6520. Answer C.
Nas Slas practice test set 6. Shown here is a triangular tie with side 1 centimeter each. The triangle 3 sides are 1 centimeter are made up a shape shown below using 3 such indicated ties. Observe the figure. What is the perimeter of the shape? Option A 3 centimeters, option B 5 centimeters, option C 7 centimeters, option D 9 centimeters. Answer B.
Question number 2. Look at the figure given below. PQRS is a diagram. What is the approximate measure of angle S? Option A 30 degrees, option B 80 degrees, option C 105 degrees, option D 120 degrees. Answer B.
Question number 3. What fraction of the vehicles in the figure below are buses? Option A 1 by 2, option B 2 by 5, option C 2 by 7, option D 5 by 7. Answer C.
Question number 4. Dash plus 5 by 8 is equal to 1. What should come in the box to make the number sentence true? Option A 13 by 8, option B 8 by 5, option C 5 by 8, option D 3 by 8. Answer D.
Question number 5. A city has 5062 public transport buses. Which of the following represents the number of transparent buses the city has? Option A 5620, option B 5260, option C 5062, option D 562. Answer C.
Nas Slas practice tests set 1 grade 3. Question number 1. A painting with 2 hooks is hanging on a wall. Picture is shown below. One of the hooks breaks. Which of the following shows the same painting hanging on one hook? Option A painting, option B painting, option C painting, option D painting. Option D, painting. Second question. Shown below are the prices of some items. Chocolate 7 rupees, bread 25. Sanjana bought 2 chocolates and 1 packet of bread. What is the total amount she must pay? Option A 32, option B 39, option C 57, option D 64. Option B 39. Third question. A green bus and a blue bus were used to take students for a picnic. There were 57 students in the green bus. The blue bus had 13 more students than the green bus. Which of these gives the total number of students going for the picnic? Option A 57 minus 13. Option B 57 plus 13. Option C 57 plus 57 minus 13. Option D 57 plus 57 plus 13. Option D 57 plus 57 plus 13. Question number 4. Which of the following options is the same as 6 plus 8 plus 4? Option A 6 into 4 into 8. Option B 10 plus 8. Option C 64 plus 8. Option D 684. Option B 10 plus 8. Given below are the dates of birth of 4 friends. Rayan 5th January 2013. Siddhi 1st August 2012. Alina 31st December 2013. Krish 15th March 2012. Who turned first year old first? Option A Rayan, option B Siddhi, option C Alina, option D Krish. Option D Krish.
Nas sees Slas practice tests. Set 1. Mathematics. Question number 1. In the figure below, line P is parallel to line O. Line S and line R are two transversal lines intersecting at 40 degrees. In the figure is not to scale. What is the value of x? Option A 140 degrees, option B 120 degrees, option C 60 degrees, and option D 40 degrees. Answer is option B. Question number 2. What number should come in the place of x? 56 divided by 5 power x is equal to 56. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 5, and option D 6. Answer is option A. Question number 3. Which of these is same as 3 power 65 plus 3 power 65 plus 3 power 65? Option A 3 power 65 plus 1. Option B 3 plus 3 whole power 65. Option C 3 power 65 plus 65 plus 65. Option D 3 plus 3 whole power 65 plus 65 plus 65. Option A. Question number 4. Ram went to a fair. He spent 1 by 4th of his money on food and 2 by 4th of the remaining money on rides. If he is left with 276 rupees, how much money did he have at the beginning? Option A 3312 rupees. Option B 1104 rupees. Option C 552 rupees. Option D 483 rupees. Answer is option B. Question number 5. Paul's monthly pocket money is 22% more than John's. If John's monthly pocket money is 500 rupees, which of these represents Paul's monthly pocket money in rupees? Option A 500 into 122 by 100. Option B 500 into 22 by 100. Option C 500 plus 122 by 100. And option D 500 plus 22. Option A.
Nas Cs slash practice test set 2 grade 3 mathematics. Question number 1. Rashi is standing in a queue. Her position in the front queue is as shown below. Hira at the front. Rashi 8th from the front. Raghav at the end 15th from the end. How many people are there in the queue in all? Option A 23, option B 22, option C 21, option D 15. Option B 22. Second question. Which of the following has a larger value than 5 into 6? Option A 7 into 5, option B 9 into 2, option C 6 into 5, option D 3 into 10. Option A. Third question. Manu has a doctor's visit on Monday, 11th February. He has to visit again on Tuesday of the next week. What is the date of his next visit? Option A 17th February, option B 18th February, option C 19th February, option D 20th February. Option C 19th February. Question number 4. A teacher gives her students a worksheet with 5 questions every day. She awards her students a star for every completed worksheet. Here are the stars 2 students earned in the last week. Pai 1 star, Suri 3 stars. How many more questions did Suri answer than Pai? Option A 2, option B 10, option C 15, option D 20. Option B 10. Question number 5. Shown below are 3 figures. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Which of these figures are made of only straight lines? Option A only 1 and 3. Option B only 1 and 2. Option C only 1 and 3. Option D all 1 and 2. Option A and C.
NAS C slash practice test set 2. Mathematics. Question number 1. A company has 45% of its total number of products at its factory, 30% at its warehouse, and the rest in its shop. What is the ratio of the number of products in its factory to the number of products in its shop? Option A 9 is to 4. Option B 9 is to 5. Option C 9 is to 11. And option D 9 is to 20. Answer is option B. Question number 2. The figure below is composed of 5 identical squares. The total area of the figure is 180 square centimeters. What is the perimeter of the figure? Option A 9 centimeters, option B 36 centimeters, option C 72 centimeters, and option D 120 centimeters. Option C. Question number 3. Two cars take the same route from Dehradun to Delhi without stopping. The ratio of the average speed of car P to the car Q was 4:7. If car P takes 280 minutes to reach Delhi, how long will car Q take to reach the same destination? Option A 490 minutes, option B 178 minutes, option C 160 minutes, and option D cannot say. Answer is option C. Question number 4. Which of the following numbers give minus 12 when multiplied by minus 4? Option A minus 48, option B minus 3, option C 3, and option D 48. Answer is option C. Question number 5. A 5-digit number P when divided by 15 leaves 5 as the remainder. Which of the following will definitely be the multiple of 30? Option A P minus 5, option B 2 into P minus 5, option C P minus 5 plus 30, and option D P minus 5 plus 15. Answer is option NAS C slash practice test set 4 mathematics. Question number 1. The length, breadth, and height of a cuboid are doubled. What happens to its surface area? Option A. It is doubled. Option B. It becomes 4 times. Option C. It becomes 8 times. And option D. Nothing can be said without knowing the dimensions of the cuboid. Answer is option B. Question number 2. Which of the following is same as the equation x plus 5y is equal to 4x minus 3y? Option A 3x is equals to 2y. Option B 3x is equals to 8y. Option C 5x is equal to 2y. And option D 6x is equal to y. Answer is option B. The areas shaded in the chart below represent the fraction of each constituent of air. The chart is about approximate composition of the air. Study the chart and answer the questions that follow. Question number 3. Based on the chart, if the amount of oxygen in the air increased, the fraction of which of these gases in the air will change? Option A, only oxygen. Option B, only oxygen and nitrogen. Option C, only oxygen and trace gases. And option D, all oxygen, nitrogen and trace gases. Answer is option D. Question number 4. Based on the chart, approximately what fraction of air is oxygen? Option A 1 by 5, option B 1 by 4, option C 1 by 3, and option D 1 by 2. Answer is option A. Question number 5. Usha got a 45% discount when she bought a new jacket. Which of the following is not equivalent to 45%? Option A 9 by 20, option B 4 by 5, option C 0.45, and option D 45 by 100. Answer is option B. NAS Slas practice test set 3 mathematics. Question number 1. What is the area of the trapezium shown below? Observe the figure. Option A 66 cm square, option B 96 cm square, option C 120 cm square, and option D 192 cm square. Answer is option B. Question number 2. 2t minus 1 is equal to 5 minus t. What is t? Option A 4 by 3, option B 2, option C 4, and option D 6. Answer is option B. Question number 3. A cylinder whose volume is 1540 centimeters cube has a height of 5 centimeters. What is the area of its base? Option A 38 centimeters square, option B 49 centimeters square, option C 308 centimeters square, and option D 616 centimeters square. Answer is option C. Question number 4. Mr. Murthy deposits 60,000 rupees in bank at 10% interest compounded half yearly. How much interest would he earn in 1 year? Option A 6,000 rupees, option B 6,150 rupees, option C 12,600 rupees, and option D 66,150 rupees. Answer is option B. Question number 5. Shown below is a distance time graph of the motion of a car. From the graph, what is the distance traveled by the car in the time interval AB? Option A 30 meters, option B 50 meters, option C 70 meters, and option D 90 meters. Answer is option A. NAS C/ practice test set 4 mathematics. Question number 1. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are doubled. What happens to its surface area? Option A. It is doubled. Option B. It becomes 4 times. Option C. It becomes 8 times. And option D. Nothing can be said without knowing the dimensions of the cuboid. Answer is option B. Question number 2. Which of the following is same as the equation x plus 5y is equal to 4x minus 3y? Option A 3x is equals to 2y. Option B 3x is equals to 8y. Option C 5x is equal to 2y. And option D 6x is equal to y. Answer is option B. The areas shaded in the chart below represent the fraction of each constituent of air. The chart is about approximate composition of the air. Study the chart and answer the questions that follow. Question number 3. Based on the chart, if the amount of oxygen in the air increased, the fraction of which of these gases in the air will change? Option A only oxygen. Option B only oxygen and nitrogen. Option C only oxygen and trace gases. And option D all oxygen, nitrogen and trace gases. Answer is option D. Question number 4. Based on the chart, approximately what fraction of air is oxygen? Option A 1 by 5, option B 1 by 4, option C 1 by 3, and option D 1 by 2. Answer is option A. Question number 5. Usha got a 45% discount when she bought a new jacket. Which of the following is not equivalent to 45%? Option A 9 by 20, option B 4 by 5, option C 0.45, and option D 45 by 100. Answer is option B.
NAS C/ practice test set 3 grade 3 mathematics. Question number 1. In which of the following numbers is the place value of digit 3 the greatest? Option A 136, option B 239, option C 301, option D 743. Option C 301. Question number 2. The 42 children in a Navy's class are seated in 7 rows in each way that the number of students in each row is the same. How many students are seated in the first row? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. Option B 6. Question number 3. Which the more 2 kilometers or 2000 meters? Option A 2 kilometers, option B 2000 meters, option C both are equal, option D can't say. Option C both are equal. Question number 4. The cost of this teddy bear is rupees 55. How many 5 rupee coins will Nisha need to buy this teddy bear? Option A 5, option B 11, option C 55, option D 275. Option B 11. Question number 5. Which of the following ribbon is the longest? P, Q or S? Option A P, option B Q, option C R, option D S. Option B Q. NAS sees / practice test set 4 grade 3 mathematics. Question number 1. Which of the following is same as 307? Option A 30 plus 7, option B 300 plus 70, option C 3 plus 0 plus 7, option D 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 7. Option D 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 7. Question number 2. Which will be the next two numbers in the number pattern shown below? 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, dash, dash. Option A 14 and 15. Option B 15 and 19. Option C 16 and 19. Option D 16 and 20. Option C 16 and 19. Question number 3. Which of the following is usually measured in the centimeters? Option A the length of a car, option B the length of a pencil, option C the thickness of a sheet of paper, option D the distance between New Delhi and Mumbai. Option B the length of a pencil. Question number 4. Which of the following is the same as 2 into 71? Option A 271, option B 2 plus 71, option C 71 plus 71, option D 71 into 71. Option C 71 plus 71. Question number 5. Look at the photography. Sports played by 3 grades. Cricket 5, football 3, tennis 6, hockey 2, kabaddi 4. It shows the number of students of a class who played different sports. How many more students play cricket than kabaddi? Key: one statue is equal to one student. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Option A 1. NAS Cs slash practice test. Set 5, grade 3, mathematics. Question number 1. Which of these is the largest number? Option A 918, option B 189, option C 981, option D 891. Option C 981. Question number 2. Gunjan brought some packets of toffees. Each packet had 2 toffees as shown in the picture below. She has a total of 10 toffees. How many packets of toffees did she buy? Option A 2, option B 5, option C 12, option D 20. Option B 5. Question number 3. The length of the pen shown below is option A 8 centimeters, option B 9 centimeters, option C 16 centimeters, option D 8 meter. Option A 8 centimeters. Question number 4. Sheila and her friends went to the zoo. Each of them had to pay 5 rupees to enter the zoo. They paid rupees 40 in all. How many people went to the zoo? Option A 200, option B 40, option C 80, option D 5. Option C 8. Question number 5. Ikta brought a ribbon as shown here. Is shown below. The ribbon is around option A 10 centimeters, option B 30 centimeters, option C 90 centimeters, option D can't say. Option C 90 centimeters. Says slash practice test set 5, grade 9, mathematics. Question number 1. What is the difference in perimeter between a square with a base of 4 centimeters and a circle with a diameter of 4 centimeters? Option A 8 minus 2 pi centimeters, B 16 minus 2 pi centimeters, option C 16 minus 4 pi centimeters, option D 16 minus 8 pi centimeters. Option C 16 minus 4 pi centimeters. Question number 2. If a plus 2b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 3, what is the value of a plus 2 into b plus c? Option A 8, option B 11, option C 13, option D 16. Option B 11. Question number 3. A cuboidal box has dimensions 12 centimeters into 16 centimeters into 18 centimeters. How many cubes of side length 2 centimeters can the box hold? Option A 192, option B 384, option C 768, option D 1636. Option A 192. Question number 4. Doctors decide the dosage of medicine to be given to a patient, which is proportional to the body weight of the patient. For a certain medicine, the dosage is fixed as 12 cc for 100 kgs of body weight. How many cc's of medicine should be given to the patient who weighs 175 kgs? Option A 55 cc, option B 18 cc, option C 21 cc, option D 24 cc. Option C 21 cc. Question number 5. The graph below shows the number of washing machines sold in 2 years by a different brands. Graph is shown below. Number of washing machines sold in the thousands. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, sigma, omega. 2019 and 2020. In which brand has the scale improved the most from 2019 to 2020? Option A alpha, option B beta, option C gamma, option C delta.
Nas says
Option C gamma.
test. Grade 9 set 6. Question number 1. A triangular frame of wire shown below are straightened and cut into 4 equal pieces. Each piece was bent to form a square form. Picture is shown below. What is the side of each square frame thus formed? Option A 2.5 centimeters, option B 3.3 centimeters, option C 5 centimeters, option D 10 centimeters. Option A 2.5 centimeters. Question number 2. Look at the inequality below. 3x minus 14 less than or equal to 3. Which of these values of x will make the inequality true? Option A 4, option B 6, option C 8, option D 10. Option A 4. Question number 3. Two cylinders whose heights are in the ratio 1:2 have the same volume. What is the ratio of their base areas? Option A 1:2, option B 2:1, option C 1:4, option D 4:1. Option B 2:1. Question number 4. P and Q are two numbers such that P into Q is an integer but P minus Q is not an integer. Which of these following would be the value of P and Q? Option A minus 4 and 4. Option B 4, 4. Option C 1/4, 1/4. Option D 4 and 1/4. Option D 4 and 1 by 4.
Study the pie chart below to answer the question that follows. All the high school students of Green Earth School voted to elect their school purple leader. From 4 candidates, Manoj David, Prarthana Bayu, Rahul Bose and Sneeza Patel. The pie chart that shows the vote distribution among the 4 candidates. Picture is shown below. Which of the following statement is true? Option A. Prarthana got twice as many votes as Manoj. Option B. A quarter of the students votes for Sneeza. Option C. Manoj alone got more votes than Rahul and Sneeze but together. Option D. Almost 3/4 of the students want either Manoj or Prarthana to be the leader. Option A. Prarthana got twice as more votes than Manoj.